Paranoia. Speak up, please, if you can.
Paranoia and loneliness.
Paranoia and loneliness. Aha.
So I brought a person in the box that he's separate from others and he wants to join together with others. And so
He wants to join together with others.
Many small people.
Of course, the others are on the other side of this wall. So he's almost like separated, like a prison or something, inside and outside. What is this yours too? The writing?
Yeah.
What does it say?
It's a Chinese word in paranoia.
It means paranoia.
Yeah.
Aha. Aha. Any comments? I have a come over, get closer, everybody take a look. What's interesting about the drawing of the person here? Actually, it was also interesting. What's interesting about the person here compared to all the people over there? Somebody. What's the difference between this guy and
Isolation.
these? What's that?
Isolation.
Isolation. What else have you look at the heads? This one has a face, has eyes and like a frown. The others have no facial features at all, which is interesting because those are almost more. These people are suffering from more anonymity than he is inside his box because he still has features. It's an interesting way to do it. What are these double sets of circles?
Like bubbles.
Bubbles.
In her mind and
Pardon?
the bubbles in his mind.
Ah, like thinking bubbles.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Not like soap bubbles. Well, they could be. Okay. Any comments? Other thoughts, ideas, anything? Thanks. Who did this here? And is this yours too? Is that part of the two together?
Yeah, and I used two topics. The first one is the anger, and second one is the fear.
Anger, everyone hear that? Anger and fear.
Yeah.
So which is which?
Yeah, anger and the fear.
Aha.
Yeah. And the first things that come up with the fear, anger is like fire. The first thing I think.
Is fire.
Yeah. So I try to draw the fire-like person.
Is this a person's face here?
Yeah, face.
And anger, this looks like a mouth, like enraged. The teeth you see, like, is that what?
Yeah.
Is that right? Or is that
The fire.
And the fire's engulfing the. Oh, I just see something else. What else do you see here? First thing I saw was the teeth. What else do you see when you look closely at it?
And he's also
Somebody else.
His nose is bleeding.
His nose is bleeding, or perhaps on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is more fire coming down below the eyes?
That's also like bleeding.
Bleeding.
And also crying.
And crying. What is this writing here?
Yeah, it's Chinese word, but I come up with many words that there will be mystery on it.
What does it say?
It just means what? Yeah.
Means what?
What? Yeah, because I'm thinking that a person will be feared.
More people looking for girlfriends and boyfriends here, or what?
Oh no, it's not. No.
Just checking. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, people will be feared when they're looking at new things. And I also draw many questions on the
Question marks.
to create a person. Yeah.
The what's interesting about the facial feature here? Somebody else. If you can see from over there, you can all come over here, by the way. We also have to bring what do you call them? Opera glasses next time. People are 15 feet away here.
They'll be feared and confused.
What's interesting about the area between the eyes and the mouth, I find interesting. I have two interpretations come to mind for me. I want to hear some other people say. What do you see there? Somebody.
Well, he said that it's confused, like between sadness and
Fear.
fear for the purple line that moves.
Yeah.
Yes.
They're all question marks.
Yeah, that's right. The question marks, and it also makes me think of like a
Yes.
kind of like cartoon comic style drawing of.
Yeah.
It could be almost like a mustache, maybe. That's not yours. That creature there?
Yeah.
Animal, maybe?
Yes.
Is that yours?
Like the evil guy in cartoons in the hell.
The what?
The evil guys.
Evil guy.
Yeah.
This one, like in the orange.
Yeah.
And what else is going on around there?
They talk about the thing like the children like the flowers, you know, and they will broken. That's mean
Your
they.
friends think this is hilarious. Why is that? Got a lot of giggling going on back here. Come here. I want to hear what's. I'm missing something that you're getting. I want to hear what it is.
Superman.
Say it again.
No.
Come.
为什么？
我在讲我的，然后他说这是他的，这是
You two come over here.
No, this is the other thing, and like the man's eyes like the quiet.
Where? Hang on. Where's
Yeah.
the man?
No man, just the eyes.
The eyes. Where?
Yeah. You know, see the behind the
Point them?
flower.
Up here?
Yeah.
That's below the flower. Is there more than one eye?
Yeah, just one eye.
Okay.
That means his tears. That means the children will die. He was sad and no weapons and make some. The book like some dude talk about no wars, the peaceful.
What book did you
The
say?
deal like the country to make the contest to say a start war like this. So this is the deal. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if I followed all that, but I'm trying.
Yeah.
Anyone? What's this over here?
The no weapons, no war.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like I don't. Does anyone else? What do people see here when they look at this circle? Anyone? What's that?
Well, it begins to look like a peace symbol too. That's from another piece.
Anyone else? Peace symbol.
Possible.
It also reminds me of the image that the people who are into guns have when they're making like that target image. That it also looks like a pistol in there, you know, like a small handgun to me.
Yeah.
It could be that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, these figures aren't yours, are they?
No.
Those are yours. You're on.
Yeah. Actually, I want to convince with loneliness, and my drawing just want to say I don't have partner, and everybody has a partner, even fish, you know, bird.
Not everybody. There's probably other unpartnered people in this room. I am among them. Yeah.
I mean,
So-
in my drawing,
Yeah. So
and
it's
the
easily
sun
to understand.
the sun goes moon, and the monster goes heroes, but only he doesn't have girlfriend.
Who? The monster doesn't have a girlfriend?
The guy lying
Tuesday.
on the bed.
Where's the guy lying on the bed?
Here.
I don't see the guy. Where's the guy? So point him out. I'm not seeing it.
The one who's talking.
The one is talking, I don't have
Laying
girlfriend.
down.
Yeah, but I don't see the person. That's the thing.
Here's the person.
He's laying down.
He's lying down.
That's his head over here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's his body there then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's this here?
That's a light.
A light. Uh-huh. And tell us about, this is like a
There's
rat,
a monster and the heroes.
a hare, like a rabbit. Or no?
No, not rabbit. Like a Superman or something.
Superman.
The monster go with heroes, bird go with birds, fish go with fish, but he doesn't go with his girlfriend, so that's means loneliness.
Uh-huh. I like the cartoon drawing style.
Yeah.
I just noticed two people over here walking that way.
Yeah.
And this person's walking the other way. Yeah?
He's following.
He's following.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
These aren't yours too, are they?
Uh-huh.
What are they?
They are fishes and birds.
Uh-huh.
They're
Okay.
a couple.
Uh-huh. What do you think? I hear talking back here. Why don't you come over? Let's hear some. What do you think? You got some thoughts you want to share?
That one?
Yeah.
I do this one.
You drew this one here with the arrow from the. It still looks like a rabbit to me, but
Supposed to look like that.
this one's supposed to look like that.
Yeah.
I see. Okay,
Is that a rabbit?
that's what I thought.
Not a rabbit.
It's a Superman.
Japanese Superman.
Japanese Superman. For American viewers, at least these two old guys here with the gray beards, it looks like a rabbit.
Man, it looks like a kind of
Rabbit
like...
has two.
Huh. Whose is this over here? Surprise, that's yours?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
The flower died because of the sun.
I can't hear you, so I know that they can't hear you.
The flower died because of the sunshine. So, it's too hot.
The flower died, she said, because of the sun was too hot?
Yes. And so the bee can get the food from the flower.
Bee cannot get the food from the flower.
And at the same time, someone took out the blood of the bee.
And she said at the same time someone took out the blood of the bee, like a human or something, with a needle, hypodermic needle.
Like the human.
Uh-huh.
And so it cried.
The bee cries. Uh-huh. So, and which topic did you choose from the list? Which topic? Like loneliness, sadness,
Sadness.
Okay. And you concern yourself with ecology, the environment, things of this sort, I'm guessing? Is that correct or no?
Maybe.
Maybe.
But at the same time, there's a surprise. So it will not be so sadness. It's a surprise. On the right.
What's the surprise? What is the surprise?
To make the bee be happy.
Uh-huh. And how would the bee become happy?
It's still not be happy. It's still unhappy, but there's a surprise.
Uh-huh.
It's maybe a wish to make the bee happy.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
That's all.
Very interesting, very different interpretation. I mean, in terms of content and imagery and so on. And it still seems to me as if you have even if you're not even aware of it, a concern with the ecology, the environment, the condition of, let's say, like plants, insects, animals, and how they all interrelate in terms of life, and humans destroy the environment.
It's like two bad things happen at the same time. Like someone can't get the food at the same time. The other person hit him. So people will feel so sad like this, and he hope some happy things, some surprise happened to make the life to be better.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Well, good.
That's me.
Good. Any comments? Thoughts?
I feel the same way.
Uh-huh.
I feel like that whatever we're talking about here, there's got to be something on the other side of that. The happiness has to come from someplace.
Such a sad portrayal of the bee. Look at that face, that deep frown, It's
Eyes closed, crying.
right. What do you think?
Good.
Okay.
The thing about something with the stinger getting stuck with the syringe was a really interesting kind of like the perversion of nature kind of thing, where the bee is getting stabbed with this needle.
That's
Very surrealistic kind of dream imagery.
unfortunately, in a way, yeah, it's kind of surrealistic to us, except for the fact that humans do so much experimentation with nature in different ways, good and bad, destructive and so on. So,
I
good.
like that it says something about the environment, because I was thinking she has the sun, the fact that I don't know what happens to plants, but our climate changes, the plants die, insects can't get their food, and we help them along by giving them other things like, I don't know, pesticides and things like that to kill them off.
Or else they do gene alteration like Monsanto and stuff.
Yes,
to-
Monsanto is exactly one. So what I like is though that she's thinking maybe somehow, I don't know if it's you, are you thinking that somehow maybe you can change this? Or hoping that you could become the surprise that changes it?
You mean the surprise to change something?
Where does the surprise come from? From someone? From us? From...
I don't know.
Imagination, open to interpretation.
There, someplace.